Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the coolant in your Audi A3. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Next, gather all your necessary supplies: a large drain pan, about 8 liters of fresh G13 coolant, distilled water for flushing, and a few basic hand tools. Finally, identify your coolant expansion tank and the radiator's drain plug. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Place your large drain pan beneath the radiator's drain plug, typically found at the bottom. Slowly open the drain plug and remove the cap from the coolant expansion tank to allow air in. This helps the old coolant flow out completely. Let it drain for at least 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring the system is as empty as possible. Once drained, securely close the radiator drain plug. Now, fill the system with distilled water for a flush. Run your engine for about 10 minutes with the heater on high, allowing the water to circulate. Let it cool, then drain this flush water. Finally, refill the system with approximately 8 liters of new G13 coolant, mixed 50-50 with distilled water. For the final step, we need to bleed any trapped air. Start the engine with the heater on high and the expansion tank cap off. Gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help air bubbles escape. As air purges, the coolant level in the expansion tank will drop. Top it off to the maximum line. Drive your Audi, then recheck the coolant level over the next few days, adding more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.